Thursday on the charts. Let's go and have a look. How's the day looking today? So let's start with OddCAD. 1 minute's out, so you can set if you have the inner edge TWS alert, just set that for MTF aligned bull or bear, whichever you fancy. So for me with this one, because of what it looks like, I just want to have a little nosy and see what's over on the left here. Where are we? Where are we? Right, we're right at the bottom, but there's more to go. So let's have a bigger view of this one. Right, at the moment, I'm not interested in this until it breaks this anyway. So for me, my alert this morning is just going to be a horizontal ray, pretty much on the bottom of the close of those candles, and I shall set an alert on that. And I won't worry about that unless it goes through that. AU's doing the same thing. Look, got a load of lows over here, pretty much level with these. So same thing for me on this pair. Just going to whack an alarm on that when that goes through that. Euro GBP. Everything is bullish. What time was all that? It's leading into Asian. That was the Asian Open. What was the Asian Open? That curiosity. That candle was the Asian Open. This one is in a weird old space. Really don't like the look of this. I would personally, personally, I want this to come back down near this 248. So I'm just going to set an alarm on that one, guys, for a lower Bollinger Band breach for me. That's a personal preference on that. If it goes, it goes, but one that's come down, Euro USD. 1 minute is out. Just looks like it's due a bit of a pullback, doesn't it? What are we doing? Looks like it's due a bit of a pullback. So same thing, set your alarm, wait for everything to come back into alignment. Should I put on that? I'm in an hour about this one. I'm not going to set any alarms on that. I'm just going to come back to that a bit later and see what's going on. This is a similar look actually, isn't it, GJ? So that's the Asian Open candle. Same thing with this one. I'm going to want a Bollinger Band breach, lower side Bollinger Band breach on this one for me again. Not enjoying the look of that at all. These bloody JPYs, these candles, what was that? 7 o'clock. Weird. They're all doing a similar sort of pattern, aren't they? So they're just sort of realigning themselves. So this one is on a pullback as well. Personally, I'd want this to pull back. It has breached and it looks like it's crossing over. It's got a lot to come down for. I think it might want to go a little bit higher though, maybe. What those candles look like. What is it doing at the minute? It's not crossed yet. You've got two options on this. Crossover. So take a cross and trade it down. My targets I wouldn't be too worried about. This first bit of price action, to be honest. This would probably be a target for me down here. So what I'm going to do with that pair, USD CAD, because it's got so many lows at the same place here. Look, if that goes through there, because it's got a long way to drop, I'm quite happy if it comes through here, comes back to the 21, pulls down into this area. I would be more than happy with that. USD Chef, similar sort of pattern, a lot to come down for. So it's just dropping. So you've got a cross down, time frames are out. 1 minute should be, yeah, 1 minute's going to be coming back in shortly. What's the 1 hour doing? 1 hour is rejecting up and down, so it looks like that's virtually on it, and what is that 1 hour candle doing? Always handy to know. So if we're looking to trade bearish into that, you've currently got a rejection that, and it's forming a bearish candle. Keep an eye on that. Don't be jumping anything, just in case. It looks quite strong, but we're coming up to 8 o'clock, so what's it? Yeah, 7:54. I have a no trade rule. I won't trade till 8:15 now. So yeah, with that one, what will I do with this one? We're waiting for an EMA cross down, really, so wait for the EMA cross down. You could put a full look cycle on this one as well. For me, I'm just going to wait for the EMA to cross down. That should bring the 1 minute back in, and then I will check the 1 hour candle. I'm just going to have a look at CAD Chef. All doing the same sort of thing. This one's showing bullish now, though. So it's breach cross way under the 248, no good for me. I'd want to pull back through the lower Bollinger Band, reset on this one. Euro JPY is just starting to have a little push. So any JPY traders, we've got a target area here, another target area here, and then here. Was that cleared that? Yeah. So yeah, keep an eye on that. It's just broken out. It's having a nice push. No jumping candles. That comes back. Have a little tap on that, and I'm just going to check gold. Gold, bearish. I only trade breaches and crosses on this. So for me, I would be looking for an upper breach of the Bollinger Band. And there you go. So that's sort of how I go through the charts, guys. In the mornings, that's what I'm seeing this morning. Remember, don't go jumping into anything too quickly. Take your time. Patience pays, as they say. And have a fabulous trading day.